So you can't see the other side of that sign, but it says Boonville. So we're in Boonville, Missouri. We're gonna head to St. Louis, and after St. Louis, we're gonna keep on pushing through. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm on a journey from coast to coast, from Southern California to Maine. So hit that like, subscribe, and enjoy the ride. So, as you can see, we're leaving the hotel and we're heading back on the road. So for the start of the day, we just did 120 miles, and so far so good. Can't complain. But man, I love how green it is here. Crazy green. Yeah, but we're close to St. Louis, so we're gonna head to the Arches right now and get some shots and keep on pushing. Guys, the famous St. Louis Arch. Yep, St. Louis, baby. Pretty cool monumental spot, you know. If you're passing through something like this, you definitely got to stop. So we did, and now it's back to the road. Well, that was cool. I mean, you're here, stop, you know. Like I said, it's a monument. See everything you can. That's what riding's about. I know we have a goal, but at the same time, you got to pull over and see cool stuff. Yeah, we're out of here. Back on the road. Oh man. You guys already know I love me some bridges. Man, look at all these beautiful. The one we're on, look at the one over there.
Yeah, we'll never turn our backs again. New state for me. Another one. This is the second new one for me that I'm adding to the list.